In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dashboard using Wix Editor. Whether you're building a way for your team to track metrics or you just want to display user data in a stylized format, this process will help you leverage Wix's powerful tools to your advantage. So, let's jump right into it. First, once you're in the Wix Editor, navigate to the Menus and Pages section. This is the place where you can manage all the pages that make up your site. It serves as a versatile hub, allowing you to easily access existing pages and add new ones to your project. Next, click on the plus add page option to bring up page templates. Here you can either select a pre-made dashboard template or opt to build one from scratch. Choosing the template can save you time as it's already set up with sections that suit a dashboard's purpose, but building from scratch gives you complete creative freedom to tailor everything precisely to your needs. Now, to really bring your dashboard to life, incorporate dynamic elements. These might include charts to visualize data, lists to organize information, or user interfaces that display specific user data. Consider what information is most important to you or your audience and how best to represent that visually on your dashboard. If your dashboard needs to display dynamic data from a database, this is where Wixdata and Corvid, now known as Velo, come in. These tools are incredibly powerful for connecting your dashboard to databases, allowing you to pull in or update information seamlessly. Integrating a database ensures that your dashboard reflects the most current data whenever someone views it. Customization is key, so once you have all your elements in place, focus on the layout. Arrange your elements in a way that is intuitive to use and visually appealing. Make use of Wix's design tools to adjust aspects like colors, fonts, and spacing, ensuring everything aligns with your site's theme. One great feature you might find necessary is customizing permissions. If your dashboard contains sensitive information, or it's meant for a select audience, you'll want to restrict access. Wix gives you the ability to adjust who can see or edit the content. So take a moment to refine these settings if required. And finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and operates, don't forget to save your work. In Wix, this step is crucial because saving preserves your progress. After saving, you can go ahead and publish your dashboard page. Just remember, publishing makes it accessible to your selected audience. So double check that everything is as it should be before hitting that publish button. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've crafted a functional and aesthetically pleasing dashboard in Wix. With practice, you'll become more proficient, allowing you to exploit these features to their fullest and create even more sophisticated projects in the future. Thanks for watching and happy building.